Hey, this is Kevin, your Florida field recordist and biologist and all-around adventurer. So today I'm out retrieving my Sony PCM M10 that I left out overnight along the banks of the Suwannee, just adjacent a beautiful spring that's trickling out water into the Suwannee River. So keep my eye open for poison ivy and of course reptiles, alligators. Believe it or not, there are alligators here along the upper Suwannee. I've got to make my way down these steep limestone boulders to where the recorder was positioned. And I love my bedrock sandals. They really protect my feet, my mud gear socks. That's what I wear when I go out, usually on my recording expeditions. Here's a picture of my bedrocks and my mud gear socks. Highly recommend those. Really protect your legs, which is very important. Protect them from poison ivy, sticks, and brambles and whatnot. So I've got my Sony PCM recorder hanging in 2 dry bags to help keep it dry from a fallen tree limb. And I will unstrap the dry bags, then undo the clippy microphones. I've covered the clippy microphones with windbreakers. And then I'll check my Sony PCM M10 memory, and if the memory's full, that means the recorder was successful at recording all night. Now, the PCM M10 is a model that's approximately 12 years old, but it's very good for field recording. And I just really, this model is the workhorse of my wildlife recording and wildlife audio. So it's compact and it runs on 2 AA's, and the memory is full here, so thumbs up. That is a good sign. I'll have about 16 hours of field audio, and this particular location I should be able to hear the spring water trickling down into the Suwannee. So I'm going to make my way back up the banks. It's always so much easier to come downhill than it is to come back uphill, but like I said, the bedrock hiking sandals make access in and out of the recording areas quite a bit easier. Just got to grab hold of that boulder and pull myself up. No easy task there. And then watch out for poison ivy and find a couple of hand grips and make my way up to the top of the bank. So if you get a chance, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And then check out the nature audio from this expedition and others on www.natureradio.art. That's www.natureradio.art. And thanks for viewing.